Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my salt scrub at home. I wax myself at home and I epilate at home, and I find that sometimes I get ingrown hairs, and so I came up with my own salt scrub to combat the ingrown hairs. If you'd like to see how I do my own salt scrub, stay tuned. All right, so here are all the things you will need. A nice little group photo for you. I am going to start by pouring some coconut oil into the bowl. I already have my Himalayan sea salt in the bowl, about a cup of it. So to that, you're gonna add a half a cup of coconut oil. And there I am adding it. All right, so next up we have the glycolic acid. I add this so that it helps with collagen stimulation and to turn over those cells on your skin. Those of you who have like acne marks and things like that, this really helps for it. You can also just do a full facial peel with something like this, so having it in there is really helpful. Then we move on to the lavender. I add about maybe like 15 to 20 drops of it, 15 to 20. And then I double that amount for the sweet orange. So about 15 to 20 drops. And then I'm going with the sweet orange oil. It smells magnificent, like an orange creamsicle. And I had about 40 drops, 35 to 40 drops of that. Maybe 45 if I'm feeling froggy. All these things I can get on, or you can get on Amazon. I got them on Amazon. Glycerin, I'm gonna add about 20 drops of that, 25 drops. You just want something that helps to make the mixture good for spreading on your skin. All right, and the vitamin E oil, I always add that because it helps with like stretch marks, any skin imperfections it helps with. So I add about maybe like 15 or so, 20 drops of that. All right, so next up is the Epsom salt. I add about a quarter cup of the Epsom salt. It's just really soothing and relaxing. I love to put it into my baths, so I figured why not put it into my body scrub. And so there it is, added for you. And there's the picture. You can get yours from anywhere. I get mine from Walmart, so from anywhere. The next thing I'm adding is the bentonite clay. I got this on Amazon as well. It's one of those, it's just like activated charcoal. It works the same way. It's an adsorption material. So if you put it on your skin, it helps to pull out the impurities. All right, and so after mixing all of the ingredients in thoroughly, you have your finished product. If you like it a little more oily, you can add, maybe a quarter cup more of the coconut oil, or a little bit more of the essential oils, whatever. But I do like mine like this, so that I can get that nice abrasion on my skin, open up any of those ingrown hairs that I'm seeing, and just make my skin overall awesome. Thanks for watching. everyone, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my own salt scrub. Hello everyone, I am here with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my DIY salt scrub. If you'd like to see, nope, because I forgot to do the other. Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my own salt scrub at home. I use salt scrub, nope.